Mandarin orange and angel food. It's an orange cake. Oh, yum. Got 2 ingredients, mix, and Mandarin oranges. Recipe is in the description below. We're gonna mix these 2 together. Spraying my pan. Look at that. I mean, guys, it didn't even take me a minute and 30 seconds. My camera's been running, and that's opening the cans and everything. Spread that all in. We are going to go make this. Oh, yum. I have my orange. Oh, yum. Oh dear. Okay, there's my orange cake. Now, if I want to do powdered sugar, I think I'm going to do whipped cream on this one. This one is 2 ingredient orange cake.
Yum. Let me try it. Maybe I have to try another little bit just so I can see. In fact, I'm going to try the crispy edge bit because I like the crispy edge bits. It's good. Like the pineapple one, it's not quite as orangey as the strawberry and the
Cherry
ones are.
So if you want something lighter, it's better.
Mm-hmm.